Is it the right time to buy or sell Cingulate stock? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the world of Cingulate. We initially published a report on our website on Thursday, December 28, 2023, and now we're excited to bring you an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any crucial updates that could have an impact on your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of December 4, 2023, our system has ranked Cingulate as a hold/accumulate, with a score of 0.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. During these past 18 days, Cingulate has exceeded our expectations by gaining 92.55% since we first recommended buying it. This impressive growth translates to an average return of 5.14% per day since it was listed as a hold/accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system anticipates high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Given the recent developments, it's uncertain which direction the stock will take. The stock has recently broken a strong upward trend, indicating even stronger growth ahead. If there is any pullback, there will be support at the previous trend level of $7.46, offering a potential opportunity to continue the upward momentum. According to fan theory, the next possible trend top level is $12.88, which may act as a resistance level initially but could be overcome in subsequent attempts. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential for a 109.21% change in the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -56.31% to 59.02%. Similarly, the 12-month trend suggests a 9.93% change over the next year, with a potential return between -96.03% and -29.32%. This means the stock could reach a price range of $0.390 to $6.94 after a year. Our latest update for Cingulate brings some interesting news. The stock price of Cingulate Inc. had quite a volatile ride on Thursday, moving between $8.11 and $12.70. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, December 28, 2023, the Cingulate Inc. stock price experienced a significant gain of 146.12%. It started at $3.99 and ended at $9.82. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 56.6%, reaching a low of $8.11 and a high of $12.70. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has shown an impressive gain of 242.16%. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 22 million shares, with a total of 26 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $257.34 million. It's important to note that a decrease in volume on higher prices may indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the coming days. Looking at the bigger picture, over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $12.70, while the lowest price dipped as low as $0.275. Currently, the stock price is 22.68% or $2.88 below its 52-week high of $12.70, which also happens to be the all-time high for the stock. Analysts have given Cingulate stock a general neutral rating. Regarding the stock's evaluation, the P/E ratio is considered a strong buy, and the price-to-book ratio is also labeled as strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts believe the stock is a strong sell. Today, we will be discussing the signals for Cingulate Inc., a stock that has caught the attention of investors. The moving averages, both short-term and long-term, indicate a positive forecast for the stock. This means that the stock has received buy signals from these indicators. Even more promising is the relationship between the two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, solidifying the buy signal. In terms of support levels, the stock has found stability at $3.47 and $2.29. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, sell signals may be issued. It's important to keep a close eye on these support levels. Let's talk about a buy signal that was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, December 26, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen an impressive 395.96%. This indicates that there is potential for further growth until a new top pivot is reached. However, there is a slight cause for concern. Despite the stock's gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. It's crucial to closely monitor the stock in light of this divergence. Additionally, some negative signals have been issued, which could impact the stock's short-term development. It's important to take these signals into consideration when making investment decisions. Lastly, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal. This adds another layer of caution when considering the stock. Today, I want to share with you some interesting signals to consider in your trading strategy. The moving average convergence divergence is currently giving a sell signal. The pivots indicator showed a buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands signaled a buy 119 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 21 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average signaled a buy 3 days ago. The long-term moving average also gave a buy signal 21 days ago. Furthermore, the relation between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. For more signals and insights, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Cingulate. Today, Cingulate has no support from accumulated volume below its current level. This means that if the right conditions arise, the stock may perform poorly in the next few days. It's important to note that this stock has high volatility, meaning it can experience significant price fluctuations throughout the day. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval, further highlighting the very high-risk nature of this stock. In the past day, the stock's price ranged from a high of $4.59 to a low of $4.59, representing a significant 56.6% price fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 28.4%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Cingulate, let's take a moment to go over some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is either experiencing losses or has negative earnings. Established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to external factors. However, consistent negative P/E ratios may suggest insufficient profits and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for March 8, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings per share in that quarter are at $0.130. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Cingulate. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we observe that there is no significant resistance above. This indicates that the stock has the potential to move upward rapidly under favorable conditions. If you decide to enter a position, consider monitoring the volume to determine the right time to exit. On the other hand, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below. This means that the stock could experience a sharp decline under certain circumstances. If you're an experienced trader, proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are confident in navigating such situations. The combined average rating for Cingulate from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On September 29, 2023, Silva Raul R. conducted an insider buy of 10,000 shares of stock option, right to buy. On September 15, 2023, Callahan Jennifer L. conducted an insider buy of 5,000 shares of common stock. On September 8, 2023, Worth Peter J. conducted an insider buy of 6,838,235 shares of pre-funded warrant, right to buy. On August 11, 2023, Worth Peter J. conducted an insider buy of 1,823,155 shares of common stock. On August 11, 2023, Worth Family Investment Associates LLC conducted an insider buy of 0 shares of common stock. Based on the 57 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 87.774. Overall, insiders purchased 9,487,713 shares and sold 17,732 shares in the last 57 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $9.54, which represents a decrease of 2.88%. This particular stock experiences significant daily movements, which in turn presents a high level of risk. The RSI 14 indicator is currently at 81, further increasing the risk involved. However, an encouraging sign is the recent buy signal emitted by a pivot bottom detected just 2 days ago. Is Cingulate stock a good buy? Cingulate Incorporated shows some positive signs, but they are not enough to consider it a good buy candidate. Currently, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, meaning you can hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. Our analysis has downgraded the stock from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. After examining the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price of Cingulate is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, December 29th, we anticipate Cingulate to open up at $10.21, a $0.390 increase from the previous day. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. That's why we strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. It's crucial not to solely rely on StockInvest.us for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we're going to take a look at the current view of the stock. We want to hear your thoughts, so don't forget to comment below and share your opinions. What's your target for this stock? Let's dive in and discuss. And hey, if you enjoy this content, remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards, from all of us here at Stock Invest.